Hi guys, today we are going to just host our WP website locally using the XAMPP software, which is the most popular way to host your WP websites locally if you don't have a live server. And first, you need to install a XAMPP software from this official website, and depending on your system's configuration, you can look for it. You can just download the software and run this software on your PC. I have already installed it and I have run this software. After that, you just need to activate the Apache server and MySQL. I have activated it already. And after that, you just need to install the latest version of your WP website, which is 6.6.2. So I've installed it here in the downloads. I have this latest version, and this is the WP files, WP folder, which we all need. And you can just rename this folder anything you like, your site name basically. So I just rename it to Magic One. That's just ridiculous, but okay. Magic One, and I'll just copy this folder to my inside the XAMPP in this under C first of all I will just talk about this. Like when you install the XAMPP, it will automatically install into your C drive, and you will have this path, and depending on that you have the local host a default path to access your website on the browser. But if you install it into a different drive, you will have a different access URL to access your website, which I can talk about in the later chapter or the later videos of this series. And now I'll just go to the XAMPP HD docs. I'll just paste my WP folder here. Paste. In the meantime, I'll just create my localhost, database, and for that I will access PHP my admin locally. So localhost PHP my admin, and here you can create your new database for your new website. I'll just rename it to Magic DB. Okay, you just copy and paste it somewhere because we need it later, and I'll just create this database. Okay, our website is still loading into our new folder. We'll just wait. Okay, it's almost finished. Okay, it's finished now. So now I have this website. I'll just access this website with the same name. You will access this website to go to the browser, and we'll just paste localhost and your site name, which is in my case a magic one, magic underscore one. Okay, I'll just check whether my site name is same magic underscore one. Okay, now okay, it is asking us for the default language, which is all like English US mostly. And I'll just continue. It's asking us to create connect with your database. Let's go. I have already created a database, and in the local host you need to like I will just paste my database name here, and in the username you'll just put root, and password leave it blank. In the live server we have all these credentials to connect with the database, but in localhost you don't need to put the password, and username will be root only. And in the local database host it is a local host, and this is a default table prefix WP, which you can change if you want. I'll just submit this credentials. It's So now it's successfully connected our website to the database we have created for this WP site. Run this installation, and we are now for our WP websites. We need to fill site detail. Magic wall. Okay, you can just put your site title, and in the username I'll just put admin, which is a very common one. You should avoid that. And a password should be a strong one first. I'm just using a weak one, just to we can always change it later when we log into our WP dashboard. And confirm using your WP, this weak password. And you can put your email ID. I'll just put a random one. You should always put a ID where you will get the confirmation or all the updates related to your website. If you're working for a client, you should always ask them to like put your communication email, and you can just leave it blank. Discourage we or want our website to index, and in this case it's just not important. Install WordPress. Now AWP is successfully installed on our XAMPP server, and we'll just access our website. It's automatically lead us to this our website WP login page. I'll just put user and password I have put before while configuring this site and login. Okay, voila. Now we have successfully created our first WP site using XAMPP, and you can access the site. You can view. It is nice looking default theme, which is 2024, of course. You can go to the theme and check which theme is active at present. And you can play with the other settings. I can definitely go to each important settings immediately. You need to focus on first after installing your website, but will just wait for another video for that. And for today, thank you so much.